How to promote your Clickbank products without a website. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Joshua Dangle George, documenting the journey of earning thousands a day with Clickbank, affiliate marketing, etc. And in terms of what has happened so far, we are finally getting conversions, which is great. This is now Monday at the time of recording this. Sunday was a great day for us. Actually, it's not Monday, it's Tuesday. My apologies for that, guys. Sunday was a great day. We made a lot of profits and conversions on the Sunday. Monday was a very, very quiet day. It might have something to do with the fact that Kobe Bryant passed away, which obviously took over a lot of the news. So it might be that people aren't clicking on advertisements, etc. as much because obviously all of the content and advertisements basically are making room for the actual news articles of the passing of Kobe Bryant. Now, in terms of so yeah, like I said, guys, so in terms of the conversions, as you can see here today, we've made $21 so far, and then yesterday $422. Quick disclaimer, that is not just me. Obviously, Colin is running a Clickbank as well. I spent around $100. I spent around $200 and made $100 back. So I actually lost half of my spend yesterday on the Monday, but it's all good. Like I said, we've had a few very profitable days, a lot of conversions, which I'm very, very happy about. To be fair, I did not expect it to be profitable so quickly, so quick. I expected me to basically struggle a bit more before I actually got the conversions, but with all the content that is available at Dijs University, it has really, really helped me out, and I feel like now with the right guidance, I'm not just messing about on Clickbank, etc. I actually know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, now that is not even what this video is about. That was just a quick update. In this video, I want to answer a question that I got in the Facebook group. Someone asked me how I run Clickbank without a website, and I messaged back. I said, what do you mean by website? And they were basically, he was basically under the impression that you needed your own website or blog to promote Clickbank products. And I mentioned that I primarily use Facebook ads for this, which he thought was very intriguing. So I thought I'll just dedicate this quick video. It won't be a very long video today, or at least I'll try and keep it as short as possible. In this video, I just want to briefly explain how I do it and how I earn money with Clickbank without a website. Okay, so for this, I just want to briefly start with a mind map, just so we're all on the same page and we know exactly what is going on. Okay, so we start off with my Facebook ad. That is on the front end. And then we also have the Clickbank offer page. Okay, so that is the offer that we get off the vendor of Clickbank. Okay, so we choose an offer, then we basically get a hop link of Clickbank, and that hop link sends us to the Clickbank offer page, which is the landing page of the owner of the product. Okay, so we have two things. We've got my Facebook ad and we've got the Clickbank offer page. Now, if we were to direct link these two together, then Facebook would say, no, we do not actually like Clickbank offers. We don't like affiliate marketing offers, especially not offers like lose weight, earn money online, business opportunities, etc. So Facebook will say, no, we are not going to be doing this. We want to remove this and your ad will be disabled. So what we do is we try and get that Clickbank offer as far away from our Facebook ad as possible. And we do that with something what we like to call a bridge page. Okay, why is it called a bridge page, guys? Because it literally is the bridge between our Facebook ad and our Clickbank offer. Okay, so when they click on our Facebook ad, they get sent to this page first. So Facebook then thinks, okay, it's a compliant page. They're not trying to do anything shady. They're not trying to promote any type of offer. So we will approve the advertisement and we'll let them do their thing. Okay, then when they click through to the bridge page, they still go to the Clickbank offer. Okay, so that is the flow. That is what we try and do. And then obviously the goal for us is to spend less on the Facebook ads than we earn on the Clickbank offer. Okay, so if we spend 100 on Facebook ads and we make 2 conversions of $100 each, then it is profitable. We've earned more money than we spent on the Facebook ads. Okay, so that is the flow. That is basically how we work. On the front end, in terms of the Facebook ads, we try and get the lowest cost per click and the highest click-through rate. So we want to basically get cheap traffic through our little mini funnel here. So we want people to click as quickly as possible into the Facebook ad. We want people to click through the bridge page onto our offer page, and we want to basically drive as much traffic as we possibly can for as little money as possible to our Clickbank offer page, because every sale we make, we obviously get commission, and that is how we basically earn money with this whole structure. Okay, so with that said, what I like to do, again, because I am a beginner with all of this, maybe, if you have more experience with Clickbank, you do not need to do this, but what I like to do is find products with affiliate tools. Okay, so the owner of the Clickbank product, or let's say the owner of the product that is on Clickbank, basically wants you to make as many sales as possible. Why? Because the more sales you make, the more money he earns, and obviously the more commission you get, but still, he is the one who comes out on top because he is actually the one making the sales. Okay, so he wants you to win. He wants you to basically earn money, because the more money you earn, the more money he earns as well. So what he does, let's say for example there are 100 people promoting one product. Okay, now 90 of those people, they're making a few sales. It's okay, it's not too bad, it's not no extreme amounts of profit made, and then there's 9 people that are doing a little bit better than the other people, but there's one person that stands out above all of the rest. Okay, his emails convert, his Facebook ads convert, he is making sales left, right and center. Okay, so and what the vendor will then do is take that person's email and spread it and share it across all of the other affiliates. Why? Because if that email works for one person, that email will work for the others as well. And if 100 people start using the same emails that convert, the vendor will get more sales. Okay, so what they do on Clickbank is actually have a affiliate tools page where they share out high converting landing pages, high converting images, high converting email swipes, and so on and so forth. Okay, I don't actually know why I just clicked on that link. I was just mid conversation and just clicked on it. But basically, yeah, what you can do on the left hand side, so when you go to marketplace, you're basically brought to the library of Clickbank, where you have all of the offers that you can promote. On the left hand side, you can go to attributes and then click on must have affiliate tools. Okay, this is what I do every single time I look for an offer, because I want Clickbank and the vendor to help me as much as possible. Okay, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel, I'm not trying to figure it all out by myself, because there's already people out there that are doing this. So why not just model success? Okay, model what works and just copy what other people are doing that are getting high conversions. Okay, quick example, let's see, where is the offer that we promoted the other week? There we go, Red Tea Detox, for example. Okay, because these guys really help me out. So they've got an affiliate tools page, which you can see here by this little what is like a little wrench icon. So we click on the affiliate page, it will bring us to the affiliate tools, and yeah, click here to get started. That's fine. I accept the affiliate tools and conditions. Let's quickly log in. joshua@deveru.com, enter. There we go. And as you can see on the right hand side, they have basically given us all of the highest converting elements and assets that have helped other affiliates in the past. Okay, so as you can see, email swipes, product images, is there anything to do with Facebook ad swipes? Okay, so literally this guy is showing us what advertisements to run on Facebook, because he knows, or she, I don't know who owns this product, that they convert. Okay, so yeah, click here to download Facebook ad swipes, or click here to download Instagram ad swipes. So we'll click on the Facebook one, because I usually do Facebook. It says it's not found. Ooh, last week it still worked. Let's see if there's anything that we're doing wrong. Affiliates, Facebook ad swipes. it should actually save, and then I should basically get an let's see. Unfortunately, usually I use my iMac for this. I'm in the office right now, so I've got my laptop. Otherwise, I could just go into my Finder and basically find the swipes. But nevertheless, this product owner is basically showing us exactly what works and what doesn't. Okay, same goes for the landing pages. He's got free ebooks, he's got articles, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this person is showing you how to get the most conversions for the least amount of spend. Okay, because they basically want you to win. All you need to do is follow the steps and copy what works. Okay, now with that said, as I mentioned already in the start of this video, we want to bring people to the bridge page as quickly as possible. Okay, so what you need to do in terms of the images, etc. Oh, here we go. So product images. So what you need to do is basically try and stand out from all the rest. Okay, copy what works, but do give it your own spin. Okay, and what I like to use for this is something I like to call pattern interrupt. You've probably heard this in one of the videos where basically I add a contrast border, so a border that is very high in contrast with the rest of the image. For example, this image has a lot of red, so I would use a yellow border or a green border, for example. Okay, and I mean like shocking green, like neon green, shocking pink, etc. The goal is not to look nice or aesthetically pleasing. The goal is to get people to stop scrolling and try and think, what is this? Why do I see this hideous color on my Facebook newsfeed? Okay, so you get them to stop scrolling because you are targeting people that are interested in, for example, weight loss. They will stop in their tracks and read what it says, and then there's a higher chance that that person will click through to the ad. Whereas if you just have a normal advertisement, it might just blend in with the rest of the feed, and they might not actually notice it. Okay, another thing you can do is something I like to call an open loop, where you basically add a circle to the image, a red or a yellow circle, in a place where there's none actually going on, and you'll notice that people will stop and try and figure out, why is there a yellow circle in this image? Okay, so they'll literally just stop and try and figure out what it is that they are supposed to see, or at least they think they're supposed to see. Again, because you are targeting an interested audience, they will, or there's a higher likelihood that they will click through to the bridge page. Okay, and last but most certainly not least, you can also use a arrow, again pointing at a part of the image that isn't really interesting, just to basically generate that interest and create that pattern interrupt. Okay, so from there, once they click through to the advertisement or to the bridge page, we create a page where it's very, very easy for them to click through to the next step, which is obviously our offer page. So as you can see, we have created a page that looks very much like the landing page. So it looks like there's a seamless process going on. It's not that they are getting redirected to all kinds of websites. In their eyes, in the eyes of the person that sees this and clicks through to the advertisement, he or she thinks that this is just part of the website. Okay, so as you can see here, proven to stop hunger cravings in their tracks and help you shed 1 pound of fat every 72 hours. All they need to do is fill out their name and email address, and they basically get sent through to the actual sales page. Okay, so this page is compliant with Facebook. As you can see, we've got a Facebook compliancy footer here, and Facebook will approve this because even though it looks like the actual sales page, all that is going on here is the email is being captured. Okay, nothing is being sold on this page. So Facebook thinks it's okay, and we send as much traffic as we possibly can to the actual sales page. Okay, so there's no real website needed, there's no blogs needed, there's no articles needed. You don't need to create your own WordPress page or anything like that. For those of you that don't have ClickFunnels, obviously you can start. I think in the Dijs University we share this funnel. So first of all, you get 14 days for free with ClickFunnels anyway, and then because of the shared funnel, don't hold me to this, I'm not 100% sure this is true, but I think you can actually have like a shared funnel ClickFunnels where it's only $20 a month. But again, I'm not 100% sure that is still applicable. Back when I used to do that, I've got ClickFunnels myself now, but back when I used to basically get funnels from other people, I only paid $20 a month. Okay, but nevertheless, it's a 14-day free trial, And by the time, if you start doing this seriously, then within 14 days, you can basically earn yourself ClickFunnels for a year, okay? Because, they're literally telling you exactly what to do and what ads to put up. All you need to do is, like I said, create that simple bridge page, which we've already created for you as well. So if you are in Dijs University, you get this ClickFunnels bridge page for free. And all you need to do then is run traffic with the ads that you get provided from the vendor to the bridge page, which we created for you, and to the Clickbank offer page, okay? And then it's just rinse and repeat, okay? So that is basically how I do it. That is how I recommend doing it. If you want to use Facebook, obviously, there are 101 ways to promote affiliate products. This is the one that I've chosen to start with, and I feel most comfortable with because I use, Facebook ads on a daily basis. And like I said, I'm just starting out, and this is what I found works up until now. Obviously, yesterday wasn't the best of days in terms of conversions, but still, we are getting the conversions in, and today and the rest of the week, obviously, we are going to try and get it profitable again. Okay, so that is all I've got for today, guys. Quick recap: bridge page, Facebook ads to the bridge page, and then to the offer page. Bridge page as simple as possible. Pattern interrupts on the Facebook ad. And then just try and drive as much traffic to that bridge page as possible. And like I said, no website needed. So I hope you got something out of this. I hope you found this insightful. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see from this channel next. Subscribe to the channel for more and click on that little bell icon so you get a notification every single time I upload. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.